A very warm welcome to everyone present here. I am Muskan Kothari, speaking on behalf of Environment Club, Universal Business School. Every year on 5th December, we celebrate World Soil Day. Soil, a priceless non-renewable resource that is home to countless ecosystems.
धड़कनों में और लबों पे एक ही आवाज है, आज मिल गई है अपने पंख को परवाज है, इन रगों में रंग है जिसका आज हो जाना है उसका रे, कुछ नहीं मांगे किसी से है मगर हम सारे इसी से रे, सुन लेना बंदे आ माटी अनमोल है, बंदे आ माटी अनमोल है, बंदे आ।
It takes hundreds and thousands of years to form even an inch of topsoil. As Sadhguru said, 87% of this life forms on this planet is sustained by an average of 39 inches of fertilized topsoil. And in the last 40 years, we have lost almost 40% of it. In the next few years, we might not be able to cultivate soil and produce food. Soil needs our attention and we need to wake up.